Today we're going to be taking a look at this little girl's makeup kit. It has 63 items. Let's see what they are. Oh, okay. Be careful so I don't break anything. Oh, look at that. Here we go. Here's another drawer. Some lip gloss. This is your shimmering eyeshadow down here in the first drawer. And here's another drawer over here. More eyeshadow. And you just push it and this opens up like this. We've got a little mirror right here. More eyeshadow. Some nail polish. Can you see? Really cute. And they've got some lipsticks up here. Oops. And you also have these that open up. Here's for your lip gloss. Some brushes. Then we have this one. And it has the brushes and applicators for your eyeshadow. So this all comes out. Here's even more things back here. These come out so you can get everything out. Real cute set. And it also came with nail stickers and nail jewels, ring, earrings, necklace, bracelet. Here's the other earring. And then you have a headband. I'm not going to put it together because I'm going to give this away as a gift, so I don't want to bend it. But you got a little tiara. And you do have there's more nail stickers. And you do have this cute little diagram on how to put her makeup on. These are for your safety. It just tells what's in each thing in case your child is allergic to anything. So make sure you read this before you give this to them. It's a cute little kit. I know I would have liked it when I was young. It says 3 and up. I would definitely go a few years older than 3, but that's just me. But it is for 3 and up. Any girl would love this for their Christmas present this year. I like it. I think they might too. Thanks for watching.